what is happening to the Bitcoin price. We are heading here lower and lower, even though if we get now a small bounce, but the price action is actually insane that we are seeing right now. And I definitely will get into this straight away in a moment, but we should not forget that this is right now a news-based crash. So that was most likely not really foreseeable. There were obviously some signs in the chart that pointed that we might go to lower levels, but that we were breaking down was really news based on the Russia-Ukrainian conflict. And as you can see right now, I'm luckily not in Ukraine, as many of you are already aware. I also live in Kiev. I have an apartment there, but I'm not right now in Kiev. So, but now let's get here straight into the chart here on the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart. So, and if you enjoy this content, please don't forget to leave a like. Let's try to get this video at least to 500 likes. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And here on the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart, so we had seen that we had formed here this broadening falling wedge here to the downside, and we got here yesterday a really nice fake out to the upside. So, and luckily guys, I told you that we should only trade this breakout if we see a 4 hourly candle staying above $39,000. So I did not open a trade because we did not stay over, we did not close the 4 hourly candle above this level. So I was cautious here and was waiting for a 4 hourly close. That did not happen. And yeah, based on that, I did not get into this trade here because we saw then here this faking out based on the developments between Russia and Ukraine, and saw here this massive dump this morning to the downside. So obviously we are getting right now here a small bounce, but in my opinion, this will not protect us from further downwards movement. So let me show you what I had shown you the other day already. Let me go here to the daily chart for this. So if you remember, I had told you here on the daily chart that based on where do I have it? The Wyckoff plan logic, the distribution pattern, and that we are right now here in this zone, and that we should expect after this move here to the upside that we had exactly oh sorry guys, so that we had here, so that was the move to the upside here, so that we should be prepared for a final low point. So, and in my opinion, the low point that we hit today was all the way down here. So here. So now what we should expect is a small move back to the upside, and then the final low coming in approximately at $32,000, and then getting a move back up, and then we will see a breakout back to the upside, exactly as the Wyckoff plan logic is showing it us. As we can see it here. So we should get here a final shakeout to the downside, and then a move back to the upside and a breakout into higher levels. So, but why I'm so confident that we might see here 32,000 in the immediate short term? Let me show you something else here on the weekly chart. So here on the weekly chart, we can see, let me actually draw this in, here, no, here. So we have here this support region. Let me just make this another color. So we have here this support box, and we have seen here in the past that the price action always found support here on the weekly chart. So we have found support here, we had found support here, and always when we got a bounce from there, we had a massive move back to the upside. So you can see here the first time, here the second time. So, and most likely we will come here back down one last time into this zone. So most likely here along this upwards trending red support line, and getting from there then a bounce back to the upside. So if we would get now a touch there, or in the next couple of weeks, let's say here into March, so we would be around the $31,200 area, so which is obviously still higher than this low and also higher than this low. So, and that would be another higher low on the weekly charts, and that is actually something that we are looking out for right now. Also, when we're looking here on the weekly chart on the VPVR, so we can see that, let me actually, so we can see here that around the $33,000 and the $31,000 area, we have a lot of historical price action based on volume in that region, so which makes it even more likely that we will come down here to test this again and getting a move back up from there. So we are getting right now actually, oh, sorry guys, already a bounce from this from the VPVR, because we are dipping into this volume bar here. So, and yeah, there I still expect a move to the lower end of it. Also, when we are looking on the Fibonacci levels, sorry guys, I have to do it the other way around. I need this from here. So then you can see that also here on the Fibonacci retracement levels here, the $32,000 level more or less is lining up here in confluence with the VPVR at $32,000, approximately 0.618. So it makes a lot of sense that we actually get a touch point there, and obviously then we have to wait if we get yeah, a bounce from here back to the upside, or if we eventually break here lower. But breaking lower here, in my opinion, is a highly unlikely scenario. I would not bet on this, that we see this. I really believe, because it has proven in the recent history to be a strong support, that we actually get a bounce definitely from the zone here back into higher levels, as we have seen here and also here. So we don't actually have to look at Ethereum, because there we have basically the same picture what we are seeing right now on Bitcoin. We are heavily down. Also, the altcoins are bleeding massively right now. So we are, yeah, in my opinion, we have to wait here another week potentially to see the final low coming in before we can move here back into higher levels. And we should not forget, we have major resistance levels then also coming in. We have here this downwards trending yellow line, which is acting as resistance around the $38,000 level, or if we hit it later, $35,000 level. In that range, we have to break this. And we have the 50 moving weekly average that we have to break around $44,000, $43,500, that we have also to break to flip here back into an uptrend. So, but nonetheless, guys, I believe it's only a couple of weeks that we have to get through here before we see here finally green in the charts. So, and it is not like that we have never seen this before. Most of you guys, like me, we have been through this a lot of times already, so we can be patient for another couple of weeks before we are getting back here into amazing profits. Obviously, if you want to short this, you can short this all the way down to this support area, so which is around a 10% move to still to the downside. So with 10x leverage would be a 100% move. I don't like shorting, but if you like shorting, you can definitely do this. You can then obviously also go to a BYBIT or to Phemex to short there. With the link in the pinned comment below, there you still get $4,100 on BYBIT with 30% discount on fees, and $5,100 on Phemex for using my link. It takes only 10 seconds. Sign up, deposit some money, start trading. With then claim your bonus, trade with the bonus, and then withdraw the profits that you achieved absolutely for free with the bonus. So really pretty simple and fast forward. straightforward. That was the word that I was looking for. And guys, definitely watch tomorrow's episode. I have something really, really special for you guys. I do this only once in a while, so definitely look out for tomorrow's video. If you enjoyed this video today, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Also join my signals channel if you want to have amazing altcoin and Bitcoin signals. And I will see you one more time tomorrow.